Is your video stuck at 0 views? Or maybe you are watching past 10 seconds? Yeah, I have been there. No worries. If you go to my channel and watch my video, you can see that I'm having low views these days back to back. So you are not alone, all right? It can be frustrating. You put in hours editing, posting, and hoping something finally take off, but nothing happens at all. Don't worry, don't feel so bad. Okay, so here's the good news that I have for you. It's not just the algorithm, it's what you're doing in the first 30 seconds of your video that matters. Okay, if this is what you're looking for, just stick on, don't touch your dial. I will be right back. So guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm giving you three changes that completely transform my channel. You understand? And they can do the same for yours. Okay, let's quickly dive in. Number one, master your hook for the first 5 seconds. You understand? We cannot do with this. If we, the upcoming content creators, want to get our videos out there, want to get the visibility that we require, you see this hook is everything on our channel. Okay, so let's start with the hook. Most small creators was the first 10 seconds saying, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, some upcoming content, I used to do this thing before, but I have changed. I've taken correction. That is why I came to tell you, please, there is nothing like, hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. There is nothing like that. Nobody needs to know, nobody cares to know whether they are back. They want to know what you have for them. So you got to hook them in that 30 seconds. First 30 seconds of your video, okay? You understand? Because this kills your retention. When you start doing hello guys, welcome back to my channel, it kills your retention. Your viewers is gone. You understand? You have 2 seconds to answer this. Why should they care? You understand? When somebody watch your video, just ask this question. Why would they stay and watch that video? Is it for the next 2 seconds you will be saying hello guys, welcome back to our channel? They will scroll up. You understand? They will scroll up. So start with a bold claim, a powerful question, or a shocking start. Okay? Example, let me give you an example of what I mean. You can say, okay, let me use my tutorial niche as an example. You know, I always use my niche. You understand? You are not getting views because your first 10 seconds are boring. Let's face it. You, after hearing this thing, what do you think about this video? You may want to stay and say, okay, you are not getting seconds. It's true, my channel is affected. Okay, let's face it. Let me know what she will say concerning this video. You understand? That is the way to hook audience. You understand? That keeps people watching. Okay, the second tactics that I use is cut the fluff. No one cares. You don't need to start blabbing. You understand? After your hook, you go straight to the point. Okay, because you introducing yourself, you something that doesn't make sense, nobody cares about it. What they want is, what are you offering? What are you saying on your video? They saw title, they saw your thumbnail, they now click. They want to get the value that you have to offer. Okay, so you are not Mr. Beast, not yet. Do not waste time with intros. Please don't waste your time with intros. You are not well known. You know, we are calling this Mr. Beast of a person. He's a big YouTuber. They are the one that can come to their channel and do anyhow. Because one, they have audience that can watch them no matter what. All right, you are just upcoming content creator. People want to know, this new person that came into this space, let me see what she have to offer. You understand? So cut the fluff in your intros. Okay, even your logos, they don't need those your logos. All right, you can put it at the ending. You understand? So long setup is not it. Your viewer doesn't know you. They came for the solution which you have to offer. They don't know you at all. So trim your first minute to get to the point. You don't need to have long intro. After your hook, just trim it so that you get to the point, what you have to tell them. All right? So guys, tell them what the video is all about. Sharp, sharp. You don't need to waste time and start doing some certain things which you are not supposed to do. Drive straight to the point after that hook that you have hooked them. Yes, you have hooked them. Your intro, trim it a little bit. Let it be. Nobody cares about your logo. You can put all those ones at the ending after you finish sharing your value, your valuable, your package that you have for them. This is what your audience wants. Okay, so tell them what the video is all about, then dive in. Retention is your number one goal in the first 60 seconds. So you have to retain your audience, because when you don't have that power to retain your audience, what it takes to retain your audience, that means that video will flop. All right, because it's that 60 seconds that determines whether your click-through rates the arrow will be pointing up or down. You understand? So tactics 3, stay consistent even when no one watches. We upcoming content creators, since we don't have enough audience, it's as if someone is there, nobody is seeing our videos, nobody is watching us. But please just keep on posting that video. I keep on repeating this thing every day on my channel. Okay, so this one hot, but the most powerful. Consistency beats everything. Your first 20 videos may flop. You understand? Don't assume. Remember that your first 20 videos might flop. That is, don't say you're perfect. I have already, in my previous video, I told you no one is perfect. Any video that you have on your draft that you're thinking that is not good enough, that is why you kept that video. Probably you're having double mind to post or not to post it. Please post it. Okay, remember that we are just upcoming content creator. No one is judging us. We are new into this space. All right, we are new here. No one is judging us. Just post that video. All right, post it, because your first 20 seconds, your first 20 videos might flop. Mine did, but every time you post, you're training the algorithm and your audience to expect you. That is exactly what I'm saying. You understand? I keep on hammering on this thing. Anytime you post, if you have a scheduled time that to post, please stick to that time. It helps your channel. Because one, your audience will be expecting you at that particular time. All right, so you don't need to disappoint, because when you disappoint today, disappoint tomorrow, they will assume that you're not serious. Even the algorithm will start drawing back a little bit concerning your channel. Okay, so you're training the algorithm and your audience to expect you at that particular time you said you want to post. And be consistent. If you are posting 3 times in a week, please stick to that. It will help your channel. There will be a time that the power is not there, the urge is not there. Your head is just try. Make sure that you stick to that. If it is 2 that you're sticking to every week, it will really help you. Okay, so YouTube is a long game, but most creators quit too early. We give up early. Forget about we are shouting low views. We are not giving up. So I'm urging you, I am not giving up. I may encounter low views, but I know that one day I will have that visibility that I want. What about you? Are you there shouting low view before you will stop posting? Please keep on posting. You understand? If you are not consistent, even the best video won't save you. Please make sure that you keep on posting. Even one of your best video will not save you if you are not consistent. Okay, so let me give you one key tips I want you to know. Set a schedule you can maintain. Nobody, you are the boss of your own. Nobody is flogging you to be posting every day back to back for 1 week. You can schedule your content. You understand? You can be posting once a week. You can be posting twice a week. You can be posting thrice a week. It depends on you. You understand? And when you schedule that time or that day of posting, please stick with it so that your audience, both your time of posting, don't post randomly. It will confuse your audience and it will confuse the algorithm. I know whenever you post, if your audience came online, they can see your video. But let me tell you the secret. That if you're posting and your audience are online and they are commenting and they are watching your video to the end, it will give you a high click-through rate. And when you have a high click-through rate, probably your video, before you know it, the YouTube, the algorithm, they will start showing your video to wider audience, and that is where viral video comes in. You understand? So you never can tell. Okay, So just show up even when it feels like no one is watching, because eventually they will. Do you know that some people are watching you? Unknowingly, they don't comment on your video, they don't like your video. There's some people on this YouTube that I watch, I don't comment on their video, but I watch and I like their content. You understand? So that is it. Don't assume that nobody's seeing your videos. People are seeing your videos. Don't worry, one day when you post that one that will push them for you to recognize them, they will comment, you will recognize them. So keep on doing what you're doing. All right, guys, let me give you my final mindset shift. Okay, remember, every big YouTuber once had a 0 views. If you don't know, nobody came out to YouTube and start answering big YouTuber. Big is a big content creator. Everybody starts from somewhere. All right, so the difference is they didn't give up like some upcoming content creators that are giving up easily. You understand? The algorithm isn't broken, but is your strategy of posting, your way of posting your video, are you optimizing your videos enough? You understand what I'm telling you? They didn't give up easily. The algorithm isn't broken, idiot. You know the problem, we upcoming content creators, we are shouting algorithm. These days, there is 2025 algorithm rules now. You understand? Is what you watch on your feed, that is what YouTube will push for you. Whether you are subscribed to that person or you're not. As far as you're watching that person content, YouTube will keep on showing you their videos. But when you stop watching their content, YouTube will not show you their videos. This is the rule of 2025. Whether you're a subscriber, even if you're a subscriber and you're not watching, they will not show you that person's video. So we ourselves, we are the algorithm. When they show you their video and you engage, that is when algorithm will recognize that this video is doing well. Okay, we need to throw you to more people. Okay, so the algorithm isn't broken. Your strategy is, as in, how are you posting your videos? What strategies are you using to post your videos? You understand? I hope you optimize your video very well. Both your keywords is intact, your tags, they are intact, both your hashtag, everything, your description. Remember that description is where you're telling the YouTube that this is what your video is all about, so that they will know the people that they will shift your video to. Okay, so make sure that every of this thing is intact. Your thumbnail is a top notch. You understand? Please, if your thumbnail is not good, start improving. Start learning how to do a thumbnail. You can see I am in the work. I am learning. I'm not perfect, but I know that one day I will get there. Okay, small, I will get there. All right, you can start, because start improving on your channel. Because if you are not improving, you will not grow. When you improve, that is when you will grow. All right, so, but the good news is you can fix it starting today. You can fix that 0 views starting today. All right, creators growing slowly, eventually blowing up. You know some creators that grow. Do you know that some creators who grow slowly, they will eventually blow up? You sure they are the ones blowing up? It's not by fast. So if you apply these 3 things consistently, you will see results. Okay, and you don't need fancy camera, you don't need fancy phone to make your video. What you need is just a clear value, fast delivery, and to do it all over again. You understand? So this is all I have to tell you. I say, let me not waste much of your time. Okay, please, I want to know in the comment which one of these 3 that I have mentioned that you are applying on your channel next. Okay, so I will reply every comment, and I want to follow your journey too. If this my video help you, imagine what the next of my video will be. All right, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you are my returning subscribers, my love is for you. Okay, I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're passing and you're watching my video, please help me to hit that subscription. You see that like button that is like this, please just click on it. All right, and subscribe. You see that subscription, that white icon and the black icon. Okay, it's not red again. Just click on that bell, turn on your bell notification, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, I will see you in my next one. Bye.